Hello, welcome to this new video tutorial. In my previous two latest video tutorial on Angular, I show you how you could create a to-do app with Angular 20. So it was something, this was the last video that we did, how we could build this to-do app with Angular 20, add components and services. So now what you want to do is to improve our to-do app with Angular material UI components. So that's what we are going to do in this video. So currently now this is how our app look like, and then what we have to do is to add Angular material. So if you go here to the official website of Angular Material UI here, and we go here are some components that we have different components here that we can pick and use. So in order to use it, then we'll need to bring back we open a new terminal here, and then install our Angular material UI packages. So we have to write ng add Angular / material. So this command here is going to install the latest versions of Angular Material UI in our projects. And we are not prompted with anything now. The installation is going on. So the package will be installed and executed. We would like to proceed. Yes. Then it's installing the package. It will take some time. Then now you will ask us to select the preview color palette for our Angular material theme. So what we take now is just the default blue one. Then it is installing now packages, those packages that we have selected for the theme. Then yeah, everything is installed now. And sometimes it may ask something like global something. Yeah, global, we can just accept it, enable it. So but right now it has not it was not asked, whatever. So we have installed it now. You have installed Angular Material UI. Now we can start using it. So what we are going to do now is to go back to different UI of our projects. So we start here. We are going to start here in the app components. So in the app components here, right now we have only this router outlet. So here is what we have now. We only have we have nothing here. So Now what we want to do now will be to add a toolbar row on top of this router outlets. So in order to do that now, let's go to Angular material component list and see what it's offering. So if we go back now down to the toolbar, we can see you have different type of toolbars. These are one, this is some basics one. This is the first one. And then we also have the multiple rows. Yeah, so what we do, this material multiple row, we can use this one. This is a container for headers, titles, and actions. Then here we have spec used to describe toolbars with multiple rows. This can be done by placing toolbar element inside this mat toolbar. So what we are going to do is we'll just take this sample here and then come back to our view. We go to our view and then we just put it here, and inside here what we'll do is we are going to add some buttons. No way. So we take this one out. So we add some buttons. Yeah, we have the solutions here. We have add, then we also have one for about. So we can just align everything. So here we are going to, if we go back to the router, here we have add and then we have about. So same thing that we have will also come here and add about, and then here we also add about. And then here it's complaining that this module is not installed. So what we do now is coming now in our components here. So we are going to add instead of this one, we are going to add the router module, and then we'll also add we are going to add the mat toolbar that we added module. Here is the mat toolbar module. And then inside the toolbar you also have some buttons, so we can also come here and add the mat button module. So that is it now. So it is not complaining. So if we come now and see what do we have, so this is what we have now. We can see that we have our toolbar, which is appearing now on top. Here we have home, we have to do, and then we have about. Right, it's working. So we can just make a small styling here. So we are going to add here mat toolbar, and then we just add margin bottom 20 pixel. What do we have? So the bottom here we have 20 pixel is okay. So we can leave this one as basic, this basic styling. So this one should be okay now. So the next thing that we'll want to do now, we'll do it to go here in our home. So in our home now, previously we had this list here, this basic HTML list UL element to represent the list of our items. So we can do better. So we can use, we can come here and select which component you like to use. So the component that we want to use now will be, we can just display instead of that simple list. We can try to use a card. Why not? So we have like one card like this with some item, list of item inside. That should be enough. So then for that we are going to use this basic card element here. Then let's keep this one on top, and then try to put our change below. So here we have our card, our mat card. Then here then we have here to do list. So instead of this one we are going to make one h2 element, okay, here, and then we just take this one here and add it. So to-do list as the title of our list. Then now inside this one we'll have our mat list. So here is the solution. So we have here so inside here we are going to have a mat list. Here is our list. Then inside the list now we are going to add the mat list items, mat list items. So let's go step by step. Here is our mat list item, and then so we are currently here. This is our UL elements. Here is the equivalent here, and inside we have some items. So here is our item here, and then here now we are attaching our loop here. So we want to loop through all those elements to do elements. So this is that one here. So then the first thing that we'll have here will be to do the title. Now right now we have some error. So we have some error now. Let's try to first add the missing module. we are getting those one because some modules are missing. Can we add them directly from here? No. Anyway, maybe there's a way to do that. I don't know right now. So let's add them manually. So we are going to add the mat. We started with the mat card. So we add a mat card module. Then the next one was the mat list module. The next one was this is this one. We import that. So right now we have no error. I mean, like everything have been imported. Now if we go now and see what we have, we can see now right now we already have our to do, and then we have the list of items that are listed. Then we still need to add a checkbox and this delete here, this delete button in our list here. So in order to do that now, what we do now is we come back and then we need to add a checkbox. Here is the checkbox, and so the checkbox is there, and so we are going to wrap that inside title. We write around the to-do title. So here is what we have. So we have check here, we have the event here, and then to do on change event, we attach this to do method, and then we pass the ID of that as we did in the previous video here. So then we need to add a missing module. So the missing module here will be the mat check box module. So that is the missing part. Again, we come here, so not showing yet. So we have mat check completed, change that's here. So the other things that we have to do is our delete button. The delete button is going to be down here. So button. Okay, we have some solutions here. Here is mat button on click. Even here we attach the to do. This to do here was already defined here in the previous video. So and then here we have the router, the mat card module, the mat list module, and then the mat checkbox module, and so we have everything here. Then okay, something is probably wrong now. So we have added all this. Now we can get rid of this one. We don't need it. And then we bring this one now. Okay, that was the reason. So we have our check box here, which is gone, which is there, it's working, and then it's the delete buttons here. Same thing with this one. So delete is working, checkbox is also working. Now we just need to do a small styling. So if you go to the CSS here, and then our card, as we can see here, our card is not we don't see our card here. It is invisible here, and let's bring it here to the center, centralize it, and make a big style. So we are going to add, so we can see like we are calling the mat card directory. So and I will call here the max width. We bring like 500 pixel. Margin here, we keep it as auto, and then a padding we keep as 20 pixel. So, and then we can see we already have this one now centralized. Now we need to style our items a bit. So here we have the mat card, and then here we need to style a bit this mat list item. So we just copy that. If we come now, mat list items, okay, we have display, flex, and then align items, center, justify content, space between. Let's keep this default. So yeah, we can see that now it's better now, scattered, a bit better than before. For the button, we are not going to do anything. We can keep it as it is. So now let's go to the next components now. The next component is to do. This add to do. So let's go to this component here and see what we can do. Same as before, we are going to use the mat card. So same as before, we use a mat card, and then here we are going to add a title called to do. Add a new to do. Then we need to add below this one. We need to have a form. We have the input. Here is input text, and then if we go to our list of elements here, we can use this one, mat form field. Right, this is one input like the one that we had before. So we can take this one here, and then come and just keep it here. So then inside this one, we are going to inside this one, we have mat label. The label here is to do, and then the input like this one above here, we keep this one, and we take these solutions here. So we have input, mat input, ng model, title, and then place order is enter a to do title. Then here appearance and style. Width is 100%. So we have to add some missing module card, form field, and then label. So let's come here and fonts module. So right now what we'll add here will be the math input module, and the next thing will be the math card module. So we can see that everything is gone. Now if we go to our to do, what do we have? We already have, okay, we have this one, but it's so wide. You have to do here, okay, already something, add a new element. So our input is there, but set of field here, we are going to use outline. Yeah, you can see that it's better than before. Before it was a bit so small, so now it's the outline. Below this one we have a button. So below this one here we are going to add a button. Okay, so yes, here is raise button, primary button color, and then the event here is to do, right, same as this one. So once this one is done, we can get rid of this one and see what we have. It was not saved, so we save it, and then yeah, we have our add to do here, and here is the input, here is the button. So just it's a button. Did we add here? So no, we have to add math button module here, and then this one, I think this one is not needed. ng model is using this one, so we keep it. Okay, our button now is better. It was using another HTML button, default button, so it's now better than before. And if we go to the CSS now, same as what we did here, we can just take this one, come here and paste it. Then below this one, we can now style our button a bit. And yeah, so here is what we have now. And with this one, hello. So here is our hello element that has been added to the list. So yeah, it's moving. Now we can come now in the last part, which is now the about page. So same, we are going to add here a math card also. We add a card, and then inside that card we are going to add the title. h2 about this app, and then below the title we will bring this paragraph here. We bring this paragraph, and the remaining one we can just get rid of it. We save this one, and we come now and add the the mat card module here. Here is our mat card module. It has been added, so then same as the other one, we can just take this CSS now and add it here. Now if we go to our about page, so here is that. So congratulations, so we just finish here with the improvement of our to-do app with Angular Material UI. You also see how we can pick some elements here and use it in our project. So here is the list of different Angular Material components that we can take and use in our projects. Once it is installed, Angular Materials installed, we can make use of these elements here in our projects. And we can see that these elements here are better than the default Angular component. So I stop here. I hope that you learned something from this one, and then stay tuned for the next video. Bye.